Hey everyone, welcome back. Did Pixel Flow used to work fine, but now it won't even load past the loading screen? This is the single most reported Pixel Flow issue. Here's the fix. First, force close the Pixel Flow app completely from your recent apps. Then, go to your settings and toggle airplane mode on for about 15 seconds. After 15 seconds, turn it back off to completely reset your network connection. Since Pixel Flow requires an active internet connection at all times and a broken connection session is a very common cause of loading screen that never finishes, reopen the app fresh on that reset connection. If it is still stuck, go back to your settings app, then go to general, go to iPhone storage, find Pixel Flow to the list of apps and then tap on it and then offload the app. After offloading it, go to the App Store and reinstall it fresh. This helps to clear corrupted keys that's stopping the loading screen from completing. Reinstalling fresh from App Store will help. Also check the App Store for a pending Pixel Flow update before you reinstall, since this loading screen bug has been flagged as the top technical complaint and is a strong candidate for a follow-up patch. So all you've got to do is airplane mode reset, then force close and reopen, check for an update, then offload and reinstall if it proceeds. Pixel Flow rolls past the screen and that's it. Subscribe.